Greetings, welcome to my channel, View from my desktop. Today we're just going to do an unboxing of some Edifier bookshelf speakers. And let's see what this speakers came with here. Okay. Well, first, it came with a manual. Got sort of bent up there. And some wires here. We have, let's see, in this bag. Remote. Not much to it. On, off, like a volume. Some speaker wire, look like maybe 18. RCA to 3.5. And RCA to RCA. Okay. So it comes with a couple of extras. This is the powered side. I'm not going to go through the trouble of taking these. Well, we'll take them out. Why not? Unboxing video, right? Okay. Well, I'll say decent looking speaker. Nice finish. Okay. Okay, there we have it, the Edifier R1280Ts. Okay, so let me see here on the back. I can show a little bit of that. On and off, that speaker out. Speaker in. Sub out. Line 1, line 2. R1280Ts. Active bookshelf speakers. All right. Stay tuned for the review. Hope you enjoy this unboxing. As always, thanks for watching. Peace.